Hi guys, do you know that if you go to Google right now and you type how to, you will see bunch of research of what people are searching or looking for on Google to do right now. I was making some research and I typed how to do something. I was typing on another thing and all of a sudden I saw how to make money without doing anything. When I saw it, I then tapped on it. I saw thousands of research, millions, in fact billions of research. They say make money online without spending a dime. I saw different. This one say make money without doing anything, make money without with no money. In fact, there are thousands of research that you will see that people go to Google to search in order to see how they can be able to make money in this online space. Seeing this particular one made me to look at it very well, whether is there any way someone can make money today without doing anything, without paying anything. Well, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some ideas, whether it is possible, whether you can do that without doing anything at all. And I will share with you 4 different steps in which you can be able to follow in order for you to get started and make money for yourself even without doing anything. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kelechi Franklin, and on this channel all I do is to share tips and tricks, strategy in order for you to see how you can be able to make money online. If you go to my channel, you will see different videos on how you can be able to make money and get started and all of that. Please, if it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and go to the comment section, type money so that we will create an algorithm and make this video go a long way. Whether is it possible for someone to make money or legitimate money online without doing anything? Well, to an extent, there is no way you can be able to make money online without doing anything. Even though it is possible, there is an amount of work that is required in order for you to get the result, which is the money that you are looking for online, because effort is needed. You can't just fold your hands and the money will start coming, or just for you to start pressing your phone. No, there is an amount of work. In fact, it requires you to put in a lot of work in order for you to get that result, in order for you to make money online even without doing anything. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different steps in order for you to make money online and how you can be able to build $100 every week and $1,000 every month doing these particular 4 different steps I'm going to be sharing with you today. And all you just need to know is that making money this time online has become more easier than before. It hasn't been easier than now, because before people do not see the online space as where money is being made, but today a lot of people have been able to see that it's very, very possible for you to make money online actually doing anything. That is to say that you need to do something in order for you to get a result in which you are looking for when you come to the online space. And you cannot do anything and get a result. You must do something in order for you to get that result that you are looking for. That is to say that an amount of work is required in order for you to get the result that you are looking for. No matter how little the work is online, it must require you to do something in order for you to get the result you are looking for. No matter how it is, no matter how small it is, an effort is needed. You must need to press something. You must need to do something in order for that result or that thing you are looking for to give you the result you are looking for. And one of the first way in which you can be able to do in order for you to get this result and make money online today is what I call the micro work site that allows you to do simple tasks and at the end of the day you get paid from it. That is why I say it can never be easy when you say you want to make money online without doing anything. There is an amount of work that is required, no matter how little it is. So micro work site is one place where you can be able to make money online, where you do simple tasks. It can be used sharing social media posts, commenting on people's posts, and liking their posts and all of that. And at the end of the day, you get paid for doing that simple work and all of that. Yes, the money might be too small, but it will not guarantee you financial freedom. But if you are consistent in it, the little amount in which you can be able to make from these work sites can be able to give you the opportunity to raise some capital for yourself and use it to make other money and do other jobs you want to do outside the micro website that you are doing. That is why in this my channel I've shared some different work sites in which you can be able to do and you can be able to use it to make some money for yourself. And some of these work sites in which you can be able to follow and do, one of them is owodaily. I have been able to share different strategy in which you can be able to use the owodaily on this my channel. The link will be on the description box. For those of you who have not joined, you can use the owodaily where you can register with 3,000 naira. If you want to join the owodaily plus, where it gives you the opportunity to see other features, that one is more higher, it's not 3,000, but the 3,000 option gives you the opportunity to use the normal feature where you have to just do some simple tasks just by liking people's posts, go to their Instagram, just comment and like and all of that, and at the end of the day you are being paid. The amount in which you are being paid might be 15 naira, it might be 10 naira, and if you do that consistently you can be able to get some little money for yourself. But that's why I said it cannot guarantee you financial freedom, but you can be able to use it to generate some income for yourself and use it to work on other platforms or other stuff you want to do online. We have the workers, we have the click workers too. All these are different work sites in which you can be able to go and use it for yourself when you want to generate little income for yourself and all of that. And another thing you can be able to do online, which is the number 2, is you doing freelancing. Freelancing is where it gives you the opportunity to do work for people online, and at the end of the day you are being paid for the services you have rendered. You must have a skill. These skills can be you doing graphic design, digital marketing, can be you being a copywriter, and many of them. You must have a skill in order for you to do this particular stuff. Online skill, when I mean online skill, these skills will allow you to be able to showcase what you have, and at the end of the day you get paid for what you do. And this one sweet part of this freelancing is that you don't work under anybody. You are a boss on your own, as the name implies. Freelancing, it simply means you're a free person. You can be able to charge whatever amount you want to charge to any individual, and at the end of the day you are being paid after you have done your work successfully. And there are a lot of sites in which you can be able to do that and you get paid for it. And there are 5 steps in which I have laid out in which can help you when it comes to freelancing. And these 5 steps is for you to find your own niche. And you finding your own niche simply means you need to know what you are good at. What is that digital skill that you have learned that you can be able to focus on and learn and do it more fully, and at the end of the day you can be able to showcase it and you get paid for it. And another thing you can be able to do is to educate yourself on that particular. That is why if you know that you are good in graphic design and you can do graphic design, or you can do video editing, or you can do copyright, you want to do copywriting, you want to do email marketing and all of those stuff, all you just need to do is to educate yourself on those particular skills, and at the end of the day you build a portfolio for yourself where people will come to know what you have been able to learn and want to work with you. And after you have done all of these things, the next thing you need to do is to create a social media presence where you have to start in showcasing your skill to different individuals, show your talent, help them to know that you can be able to do this, and at the end of the day you generate leads. This lead will require you to do some advert or do some promotion for yourself in order for you to magnet or bring in people. These generating leads are people. You need people in order for you to make this money. Yeah, people are the money. When you see people who want to patronize you on this particular courses or this particular skill that you have, that simply means that it is working, and you need to do it either by organic traffic and all of that. All you just need to do is to look for people who want that particular product in which you have learned, and at the end of the day you'll see that you'll be successful when it comes to this freelancing and all of that. And some of these platforms in which you can be able to do this particular stuff we have the Upwork, you have the Fiverr, and we also have other remote sites in which you can be able to do all of this and you get paid in dollars and all of that. So all you just need to do is to educate yourself on it, build a portfolio, have a social media platform or present, and you generate a lead, and then you can go into these particular platforms in which you can be able to use in order for you to make this money for yourself and all of that. All of these platforms are all for free. All you just need to do is to sign up towards them and you get started and all of that, and you can see you get paid and all of that. So the thing to talk about is the e-commerce. The e-commerce. E-commerce is one aspect in which you can be able to use the making money online, and you can use it to get started. This is where you are able to sell different products online, and at the end of the day you make a lot of profit for yourself and all of that. And that is why today we have a lot of e-commerce company or e-commerce platform where you can be able to showcase, or you can be able to join, or you on your own can also create an e-commerce product for yourself even without joining some platform and all of that. We have the popular ones in which you know today, like the Jumia, the Konga, and the many of them. But you on your own can be able to do that. All you just need to do is to go and pick a hot selling niche, and then you start marketing it and you create it for yourself. And one way you can be able to do this is by choosing an e-commerce product, by designing and uploading your own digital product, and you generate traffic, leads, and then you close it. What do I mean by all these things? You creating or you choosing an e-commerce product, that is to say that you need to choose a hot selling niche. Probably you know that right now people want to buy phone, or you know that we are in a season where people are looking for kitchen utensils that they want to buy. All you just need to do is to market this product, look for the product, know the one that is selling, know the one that is hot in the market as of the moment that you want to sell this particular product. Then once you have been able to do that, you design your own product, then upload them, and then you now start marketing them, and you now decide to run from Facebook ad in order for you to generate lead and traffic, and at the end of the day you drop them from your Facebook to your WhatsApp, and then you close your sale and you make money for yourself. Sometimes you don't need to have this product on your possession. Sometimes all you just need to do is to go to the dealers, people who sell this particular product, tell them that you want to be doing some arbitrage with them, whereby they will tell you the amount in which they are selling, and then you on your own, all your own you do is to do the marketing. You do the marketing. These individuals will be eager to look for people. In fact, they are looking for people who will be able to do this marketing for them, and they make a lot of sales for them. They make their money, you make your own money on your own end. That is to say that if they are selling something for 50 naira, you can decide to sell it for 150. You give the man his 50 naira and you hold your 100 naira. So that's how it goes and all of that. So all you just need to do is to look for the hot selling niche, and then you go into it and you make a lot of profit from it. And the very next one, which is the last one, is affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing is where you sell other people's products, and at the end of the day you get commission from the product in which you have sold. And this is quite the easiest, in which I will always advise anyone who wants to join or start up any online stuff to start with. With affiliate marketing you can make 6 figures for yourself, 7 figures for yourself, and you are okay with it. And that is why I will always recommend this one for anyone who wants to get started on the online space. Why will you get started with this? You get started with it because, one, you don't need to create a product, you don't need to start looking for a product to sell and all of that, or the product is already there, and all you just need to do is to refer individuals to the product, because you are an intermediary between the person who owns the product and the person who wants to buy the product. So you are the one who is referring the individual to come and buy the product. That is to say, you just brought the individual for the person to buy the product, and when the person has purchased the product, you get a commission for that. And in this particular affiliate marketing, you don't need to start looking for invoice or inventory for all of that. You don't need that. It's not necessary, and it is an easy one to do. It's an easy one to do. All you just need to do is look for people who will buy the particular product, and it has low maintenance. You don't need to start going to maintain product for people and all of that. No, this one, as you have sold the product, the person will start making use of it, and you don't have any other business. All you just need to do is to do some follow up and all of that. and don't have customer service. Yeah, you don't have customer service because you are the one who is dealing with the individual. So affiliate marketing is one of the best and the easiest to do, and if you go into it, I promise you, you will never forget it. That's why there are a lot of platforms in which you can be able to get started when it comes to affiliate marketing. We have the Espania, which is the #1 in Nigeria, which I will advise anyone who wants to join affiliate marketing to use the Espania and get started with it, and you see that you make a lot of profit for yourself. We have the 72 IG program, in which gives you the opportunity to learn some digital skills, and then you pick a niche, and then you start marketing a product and you get started with it. So all you just need to do right now is to follow through all these courses I've shown you, the e-commerce, the affiliate marketing, and all that ones I've shown you, whether the freelancing, and you also have the micro works. If you pick one out of all of these 4 I just mentioned, you see yourself getting the result you are looking for. Don't come and start looking for a way to do all of them at once. If you do that, you will crash and you will not get the result you are looking for. All you just need to do right now is to pick a niche, then focus on it, learn it, do it better, and then you start making profit out of it. So all you just need to do is to pick one aspect and then get better in it, and then you see that you get a lot of income, or you get the result you are looking for. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification, and don't forget to go to the comment section, type make money, so that we will create an algorithm and all of that. Share this video to other individuals who would love to see it and all of that. Give this video a thumbs up so that we'll get to see it. See you on my next video. Peace.